DJM TV.
Congratulations, sir. Congratulations.
You have not gone to bed?
No.
Do you live in Gov House? You haven't closed? Where is Oga Kudo? Is it right? All right. Thank you so much. Where's Kudo? We are very happy with the verdict of the ADO 2020 Governorship Election Petition Tribunal, which dismissed all 4 petitions challenging our victory in the September 19, 2020 polls. This ruling is yet another testament that the judiciary in Nigeria upholds fairness and justice. With the judgment of the tribunal today, we are once again reassured of the impartiality of the judiciary as they continue to uphold the ethos of equity and the rule of law. We cannot thank the judiciary enough for standing for the truth. The petition against our victory at the elections were clearly motivated by greed, malice, and a quest to undo a fair and just process by deploying despicable means which were aimed at thwarting the wishes of Edo people. This victory is a victory for Edo people who have always believed in us. We want to thank them for believing in us. We also wish to appreciate our great party, the People's Democratic Party, PDP, for their unwavering commitment to the development of Edo State. Finally, I want to thank our President, His Excellency Muhammadu Buhari, GCFR, President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, for ensuring an impartial judiciary which upholds the wishes of the people. God bless all of you. God bless Nigeria. God bless Edo State.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.